Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change language on Threads app. First of all, you can open the Threads application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on the two horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, and after this you can now just simply tap on the option account, and here you can just simply scroll down, and in this section you will find the option language. Tap on it, and now you can tap on continue, and after this you can just simply tap on language, and here you can just simply choose a language that you want to select, and it is a way you can change language on Threads app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.